today I'm going to open the package, but I already opened it, but it's still not open. So let's open it. Thanks for the scissors. Could I use that? I know how to use it, Mommy.
No, I don't want you to cut.
Cut.
Cut what's inside. Okay, you open it one by one.
Okay, I'll open it one by one. That's lots of fun.
Yeah, open that. Open it directly.
Okay. Let's see.
Open it.
Ooh. Fancy.
Open it.
What do you mean, open it?
Show it to them.
Is this a swimsuit?
Yeah, that's my swimsuit.
Oh.
Oh, look at that.
Ooh. I'm gonna put this. Just kidding. I was gonna put it on. I was just joking to all of you.
Are you planning to put that on?
Yeah, no. Is this my swimsuit?
You're
What
so
is this?
silly.
What is this?
That's shorts, baby. For that.
For Hans.
No, for that. They're together.
Oh. Let's open this.
How about that? Open it.
This is bra, I think. No, it's not. It's fancy.
It's another swimsuit.
For who?
For me. So I have extra.
This looks small, right?
No, or when you're big, you can have it. It's still okay.
Let's open this. This looks good. I don't know what this is.
Check.
I don't know what it is. How do I check it?
Open it.
Open it. It's already open. I'll put that over there.
Check it. Whose dress is that? You never know. Maybe it's yours. You didn't check.
It has like a 7 and a Y.
Yeah, stand up and then where's Leia? Look at that. Whose dress is that? What do you think? Whose dress is that?
Me.
It's for you?
Yeah.
Very good.
Wait, it is? Yay!
Yeah.
I'm wearing it right now.
You're wearing it right now?
Wait, first thing, let's see. Okay, I just put it here.
Okay. More.
More. Yes, I'll do more. I don't know who this is.
Baby,
for.
sit in the middle a little bit, baby. Yeah, right there.
Let me see the size. I don't know what this. Oh, this is for Mommy.
Yeah.
I'll put here. Okay, let's do this pretty thing.
Oh, I think I know who's the owner of that.
It'll be for me. Oh, it's for me. I think I know who this is too.
Who is that? Is that big?
Or is it small?
What do you think?
This is both mine.
Yay!
I'll just take it and put it.
No, leave it there.
Okay.
Go, open more, maybe.
How pretty was that? What do you think it was? How pretty was it? Was it less pretty than the other dress, or was it oopsies?
It's okay.
Or was it better than the other dress? What do you think? Does it look prettier or does it look not prettier?
I think that's for Mama. Yeah.
It's for Mommy.